Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, we are gonna holla about that new line from Victoria's Secret. I think it's called Café Victoria. There are 4 in the line. And oh my gosh, your girl has some thoughts, y'all. Oh my gosh. Before we get too much further, of course, today's lip is by me over at Banger Beauty by Mary. Reformulated and brought back for fall. Cherry Crush. Yep, Cherry Crush. She is absolutely beautiful. And she smells like maraschino cherries. And if you haven't signed up for email notifications from Banger Beauty by Mary, please do so. You do get a discount with that email sign up. So yeah, head over there and check out Banger Beauty by Mary and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, I had some thoughts. I will say I am digging the packaging. It is very cute. I have one big complaint about the packaging. On every single one of them, they wrote the description in almost like, they should have done it like a darker type of a color. Like especially on this one. Like my God, who can read that? Look at that. Yeah, but that's the only complaint I have thus far. So far. The first one we're going to talk about is Berry Brulee. Yep, Berry Brulee. It is shaved chocolate and jasmine petals, and it says juicy red fruit dances around creamy confections. Now, I did spray my skin about 20 minutes ago in distinct spots, so I know exactly what we're smelling here. It sat for about 20 minutes. I do like this one. I do pick up notes. I just want to get a little first spray sniff real quick. It does have berry notes, but I'm also picking up notes of chocolate. I want to say the first spray is probably the best in my opinion. The dry down is still good. It's not bad. It is a pretty scent, but I wish the chocolate notes were heavier. The longevity on this is probably about 2 hours. I would, out of a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 6 for longevity. There are pretty berry notes in here with those chocolate notes. I don't get a lot of jasmine. They said jasmine petals. If there is jasmine there, it's way in the background. This is a pretty fall scent, though. I will say it is a pretty fall scent. I probably will keep this one for fall. So that's a plus. The next one. This one I was really excited about. Pistachio cream. Yep, pistachio cream. Scent notes are vanilla glaze and solar musk. And it says rich pistachio kisses decadent candied almonds. Well now. I do like this one, y'all. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. A lot. In fact, the longevity on this one is probably the best out of all 4. I got a good 3 hours worth of wear out of this. It's a super sweet pistachio. You definitely get vanilla notes in there as well. I know they mention almonds, but the almond note is like way in the back, y'all. Way in the back. And they say solar musk, but thankfully I don't pick up solar musk. What I do get is a beautiful pistachio vanilla scent. It is gorgeous. It's not like any other pistachio note that's been out this year so far. So with that, I'm pretty impressed. I do like the packaging. It's cute. I just wish they would have done this dang lettering in a different color at least. Like do it in bright green, like this type of green up here, so you can read what it says. Us old broads can't read that stuff. Yes, I do like that one. I like it. It's good. It's good, y'all. The next one is Amber Aperitif. Amber Aperitif. It says agave nectar and magnolia musk. And on the back, it says, God, heady smoked liqueur floats on sparkling Prosecco. I'm not the biggest fan of this one, y'all. I'm just not. I feel like whatever liqueur they put in here, it just doesn't mix well. Not with the agave. Agave is typically like a sweeter type of a note. And I don't even really get a lot of magnolia in here. There's some type of like liquor note. Hi, Eros. The cat came in and said hello. Yeah, I just don't get, I mean, there is a little bit of musk in it, but it's mostly on the dry down. I wish they would have done the magnolia heavier in here and the agave a lot heavier with that liqueur and that like smoky whatever the hell it is that's in the background. Not have, even in the where it is in the background, is still a little too heavy for my liking because it overshadows the magnolia and the agave in this. I think if they would have done the agave a lot heavier, this would have been a gorgeous scent. It kind of dries down to this like, kind of like clay Play-Doh type of a scent. And yeah, I'm not big on this one. I will say the longevity on this Play-Doh mess is about a good 2.5 hours though. So they got the longevity right, just the scent is wrong. Yeah, no. Now the last one in this collection is Sugared Petals. Sugared Petals. It is Sweet Macaron and Shimmering Woods. And it says Delicate White Flowers. Dang it, girl, get it together today. No tongue-tie slip-ups, dang it. Some days I have a lot of trouble, y'all. My God. Adorns golden macarons. Macarons. Now, I will say something. When I first started wearing these, this was my least favorite. Absolutely. The wear on it is, I think, my biggest issue. The wear on it, I only got about a good hour's worth of wear on this before I couldn't smell it anymore. And when I first was smelling this, it just didn't zing it for me. However, the more I've been wearing it, the more I have been intrigued by it. Because you definitely get this sweet, like macaron, like cookie type of a note. But you also get like these wood notes in there. And a little bit of white floral. However, they aren't really strong. I think it would have made it a lot better if that cookie macaron note was definitely the heaviest, like smack ya. It is there, but I think if they would have done it stronger, this probably could have been my favorite out of the bunch, y'all, shockingly. Yeah, but if they, I do like it. I like it a lot better than when I first smelled it, but it's not my favorite. If I had to rank these, I would go with Pistachio Creme in number 1, Berry Brulee in number 2, Sugared Petals in number 3 spot, and Amber Aperitif. I wouldn't even have to want to pick that, yo. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't. I'm going to go back in and smell because it's been a little bit. Berry Brulee smells amazing on dry down. I highly recommend this one. The Pistachio Creme. You get even more vanilla as it dries down. It's beautiful. If you're a vanilla lover, you will like this scent for sure. This, God. Yeah, no. In fact, when it dries down, it smells very, very masculine. Like cologne and Play-Doh. Yeah. And then Sugared Petals. It is pretty, but God dang it, I wish they would have done that macaron note heavier, y'all. Yeah, these two are the winner for sure. Winner, chicken dinner, baby, out of this line. What did you think? Did you guys get in store and smell these? Did I do this one dirty and you really love it? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Your girl's got thick skin. You won't hurt my feelings, I promise. Yeah, definitely let me know. Make sure you go over to Banger Beauty by Mary and check out Cherry Crush. She smells like maraschino cherries, y'all. Oh, yes. Yes. I love her. Yes. And we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.